Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So today I'm here with your thematic workbook, My Body Works Theme 2. So let's open it on page number 16. So here we have today our new letter H. Okay, so first of all, what will we do? We'll mention date, and date is 7 month. June month is going on, and June is the 6th month of the year, and session is 2021. So now let's come to our letter H. So look at this. This is capital letter H and this is small, our print script. So today we will learn how to write. You all are familiar with capital letter. So let's do it. We'll start from the top and come down with a vertical line slowly. Okay, like this, and again one more vertical line. So two vertical lines and one horizontal line which will join our H, both the vertical lines, right? So this is our capital letter, and look at the formation of small letter. One vertical line, go up again, turn and make a hill, come down. This is the formation of print script. So now let's come to these pictures. We have related pictures which are starting from letter H, right? So H, her, hat, honey, hut. Okay, it sounds h, hat, honey, hut, right? So now here we have letters. What will we do? We will trace it and we'll do practice how to write. So two vertical lines like this and one horizontal line to join these two vertical lines. Okay, so likewise we will do this. Two vertical lines, one horizontal line, again two vertical lines and one horizontal line. Two vertical lines and one horizontal line. Likewise we will do these lines. Okay, and we'll complete the page. See, I have done tracing part. Now let's come to coloring. So color this cap, honey and hut. So you can take different colors of your choice. Ma'am has taken red for the cap. So let's do it. Color it slowly and nicely. Okay. See, I have done with this. See, done. So likewise you will color all the pictures. Okay, let's come to small letter. So on next page, page number 17, we have our print script, small letter. How will we write this? Start from the top, come down with a vertical line, go up again and make a hill like this. Okay, again start from the top, come down, go up again, make a hill. Start from the top, come down with a vertical line, go up, turn and make a hill. This is H. H. Go back, make a hill, come down. Come down with a vertical line, go back, make a hill, come down again, H, H. Likewise, we will trace all the H. Okay, now we will come to independent writing. Okay, so here in one line we'll write capital letter, and in second line we'll write a print script, small letter. Okay, so how will we write? We have just learnt. Start from here, come down with a vertical line, and again one vertical line. So we have two vertical lines and one horizontal line to join these vertical lines. This is H. Again we will make two vertical lines, one horizontal line to join this. Two vertical lines, one horizontal line to join. Two vertical lines, okay, and one horizontal line like this. Done. Our capital letter is done. Now let's come to small letter. How will we write this? Again one vertical line, go up till half, turn and come down. This is H. 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 One vertical line, go up again till half. Okay, and then we will turn and down. H. How will we write this? One vertical line, then we will go back, okay, till half, turn and make a hill. Again one vertical line, go back till half, turn and down. This is H. So likewise complete page number 16 and 17. Okay, we'll meet in next video. Till the time, take care and bye bye.